Videos on, please, Ibrahim and Emma. Turn on your videos. Emma, can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Emma. Video on, please.
Yeah.
Okay. So today we will do the graphs. Okay. The graph topic. Now, after like we did until presentation of data, we saw how to make a frequency table. Okay. And now we'll check out how to make a bar graph. Okay. How to make a bar graph. Now, let's make a bar graph first, and then I will ask you some questions, and you have to answer me those questions. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, did you on the live?
Yeah, I turned it on. Okay. Can you see that? Now, based on this, I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay. I'm going to ask you some questions. Question one for Ibrahim. Ibrahim, what information does this bar graph gives? What information this bar graph is giving?
The number of satellites, but it doesn't specify which one.
The number of
Because if it
satellites.
did specify, then Earth would have the most.
Okay. The number of satellites. Okay, then
Not specifying, ma'am, whether it's a natural or artificial. Because, ma'am, if it's artificial, then Earth would have the most. So I think it's natural.
maybe it's natural number of satellites. Okay. Question 2 for
Uh,
Emma.
ma'am,
Yeah.
the data is wrong.
This data is from your book.
No, ma'am. Earth should have one moon. And Mars should have two moons, ma'am.
I will edit it. Okay. Now tell me, Emma, what are the planets that have no moon?
Where's Mercury and Venus?
Yes. Abraham, what is the planet with the highest number of moons?
Saturn, ma'am.
Yeah. Which is the planet with the least number of moons, Emma?
Ma'am, with the least amount of moons, it will be Earth.
Earth. Yes. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is that, okay, so that is how what we did is drawing inference. Okay. We analyzed the graph and we made some conclusions. Okay. And we made some conclusions that, okay, this planet has the highest number, this planet has the lowest number. This all is known as drawing inference. Okay. So that is how you read a graph. That is how you read a graph. Okay. If I say Saturn has how many more moons than Jupiter? Compared to Jupiter, Saturn has how much more moons? How many more moons? What will be the answer, Abraham?
Ma'am, can I say?
Emma?
Oh.
4 moons. 4 moons more Saturn is having compared to Jupiter.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Jupiter has 97 plus 95 plus moons, ma'am. Not 16.
Yes, but right now we are taking what is mentioned in the question.
And
Okay.
ma'am, Saturn has 247 plus moons, I think.
That is correct. Yes, they have the numbers are much more than this. Okay, but right now we are taking what the question is given in the book. Okay, now one more question. One more question we will do. The data is given to us for students present on a particular day. I'm going to make a table here.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
use it a little bit darker pen because
yeah.
what you're writing it's not visible.
It's not visible to me also. I don't know how it changed.
I'm still very light, ma'am.
Yeah, I know.
Ma'am, go to the pen setting, ma'am,
Okay, I just.
and increase the strokeness size. Increase it, ma'am. Now, ma'am, it's visible.
Yeah, okay. Days of the week are mentioned, and how many students were present on the days were is also mentioned. Okay, we will make a graph on this data. We are going to make a graph on this data. Let's do that.
Can you repeat?
We will make a graph on this data.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, if you're drawing something, ma'am, we cannot see.
Can you see this line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's what I'm drawing. Okay, draw two lines, one horizontal line and one vertical line. Hope you can see that.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
in the graph paper, ma'am, only be seen to the people who select it, ma'am.
In the graph paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Say again, I didn't understand that.
Ma'am, right now you're using the grid mode, ma'am. The one
Hmm.
we saw yesterday.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, for Emma, it won't be being seen again until unless she doesn't change it.
Emma, what I'm doing on the board, can you see it?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
she will be able to see it, ma'am, but she cannot see the grids, I think.
Yeah, I
Can you
cannot see grids. I can just see numbers.
Emma, there are those three lines.
on the right, top right corner?
Okay. No, no, I
So,
don't see anything
you have to
there.
press that, then click view.
But I have a whiteboard, but I'm not able to see anything like what you're
No,
saying. The
no,
top,
the top three
oh,
lines.
there's like are you talking about like the grid which messes me like
Just
empty?
listen, just listen.
Yeah,
So, press the top three lines. It's in the top
top,
right corner.
top right, top three line. 1 second. Yeah,
You pressed it. Now there'll come one big tab saying
view.
view. Now you press view and then you press grids and guides.
Okay, 1 second.
And then you press line grid.
Grids and guides. Line grid done.
Now you see what we are seeing.
Okay. Yeah. Now I see it. Yeah.
Our first for Monday is 18. Okay. So in front of 18, I have made this bar. Okay. In front of 18, at 18, I have taken the scale as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 18, 20, and 22. Okay. For Monday, I have made 18. Now, Tuesday is 20. So for Tuesday, we will make 20. Leave one box and make 20. Okay. This is 20. All right. Now, next Wednesday is 19. Okay. 19 comes between 18 and 20. Okay. Between 18 and 20. So that's what we are going to do. We will mark it here. Okay. We'll take the half of this box. One second. Here, okay. Between 18 and 20. Then make the bar like this. In Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday is done. Thursday 17. 17 comes between 16 and 18. Again, between 16 and 18 we will do. Between 16 and 18 is here. Okay. Join it to the bottom. $17. Then Friday, we will do Friday is 18. Friday is also 18. So here we will do Friday. Next one, last one, Saturday, which is also 20. So 20 is here, top. We will do 20. Sorry, it's 2 blocks straight. Here we will do 20. Okay. Now you can fill them with colors also. Okay. You can fill them with colors also. But more importantly, this is how it will look like. Okay. 6 days, 6 bars will be there, equal distance between them. There will be equal distance between every bar. Okay. Scale is there. Here you write days. And here we will write number of students. Okay. Days and number of students. All right. This is your x-axis. This is y-axis. Okay. This is how we do the graph. Tomorrow, Monday, I want you to bring your graph notebooks. Okay, in the class. Monday, I want you to bring your graph notebooks in the class. So we will draw the graph on the graph paper. Okay, hello Joshua, good morning.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
When did you join, Joshua? Were you able to see what I have done?
Okay. Ma'am, I understood a bit, ma'am. I joined 9.
Okay. Write this down, make this.
How
Yeah.
do we down?
How do we what?
Write it down.
How do we write it down? You just make 2 lines, one horizontal, vertical line.
I don't have my graph book.
You can just make it in your notebook right now. Okay, ruled notebook, and 1 centimeter will be your notebook lines. Okay, this thing that is marked here now. This thing, mark it in your notebook. One line. In one line, mark it in your notebook and make right now. Okay, and Monday we will do it in the graph books.
Ma'am, can I just take a picture, ma'am? And then make it in my graph book when I get it?
But then you have to send that to me.
Just
The
make
made one.
Mama, send it to you, ma'am.
And what about the homework?
Which homework?
This chapter homework. We are on like 19.4 exercise. What about 19.1, 19.2, 19.3? That homework. Abraham and Emma, both of you. I'm giving you daily reminders and still not receiving any homework.
Actually, ma'am, I'm finding it difficult to do your homework, ma'am.
Why difficult? The questions were very easy. It is like only 2 questions.
Preparing for the NIOS exam, ma'am. And also, I have a lot of portion left, ma'am. So every day now I'm filling up algebra questions. So it becomes difficult to do your homework, ma'am.
Abraham, I'm giving very less homework every day. It's like 2 questions, 1 question, 2 questions, 3 questions. Only that much is there, and this chapter is also in your NIOS syllabus. The exam that you are giving, you know that, right? Statistics chapter is there.
Yes, ma'am, but it's different, ma'am, than the one in this. Ma'am, in iOS, in the book I'm studying now, ma'am, it's talking about cube roots, ma'am. But cube roots have never been even talked in iOS.
We had cube roots in the, I think, the 3rd chapter of NIOS.
Cube roots with algebra.
Okay. But still, do the homework today or tomorrow in the weekend and send me. Okay? Do it today or tomorrow and send me. Emma, you too. Turn on your mic and respond, Emma. I received only Jeshua's homework. Both of you send me your homework either today or tomorrow. Positively, okay? Alright. Okay. Monday, please get your graph notebooks. Please bring your graph notebooks, okay? And we will do these questions in your graph notebooks on Monday. Okay, and then I'll teach you pie charts. Okay. Okay, that's all for today, and we will meet after the weekend. Have a good weekend. Bye. See you on Monday.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good weekend, ma'am. Bye,
Bye.
Abraham. Bye, Emma.